Hello, welcome to another Ellen the Moon tutorial. This is the overlay top. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. We did the bralette recently, so let's get started. It should be beginner friendly.
Right, so there's a lot here. This is probably over. This will go around 1, 2.
You only need this to go around 4 times. I'm not sure why I keep doing 6. I thought I was going to make it longer, but it only goes around 4 times. So you'll do 3 for a medium and small.
Because I want to keep it all in one bundle, for lack of a better term. Keep it all bundled up. And we're just going to go around and around. So I'm going to start, there's 20 of these all around. They're measuring about 5.5 feet each. Okay, I'm going to start over here and I'm going to affix it right here. I'm going to do a double half hitch right here. The top vertical. Okay, so there's actually correction. It needs to go around both. So there's 2. This was folded in half in reverse. Lark said knotted on. You're going to go around 1. Second, and then go around the other one. I hope you all can see that in the camera. Let me see. Yeah, you can. Tightly, so round twice. After I get this started, you'll be able to see it better if you don't know how to do a vertical half hitch. Just leave that. We're going to cut that later and put some stitch glue in. All right, so I have my little bundle. This is going to take a while. I'll try to time how long this takes. And we're just going to go around each one. So, go through, pull tight, up against, snug it up against there, get it close, cerca de, and then go around again. Go right through here. We're done with the second one. And go over here. Leave this a little, this is about 1 inch apart to 1.5 inches from the other one. There's 20 all the way around here and they're folded in half. Hold on. Go around and then go through. All right, so go around and then go around again. Put my finger through here, like my technique. It makes it pull tight. Pull this to the side and this up. And then you can kind of fix it up. You'll get in a rhythm. Once it gets shorter, it's easier too. So go around and through, over, under. Pull it up tight up against there. Over, under, or through. Tight. Okay, you want the knot to look tight like that. This is recycled yarn, so it's divided in half, it's cut. This would look better. I mean, it'll have a different look and a more polished look if you use like a polypropylene yarn or a cotton rope, but those aren't that great at putting in the wash. It's very breathable because it's cotton yarn made off of cutoffs. I think it's cotton and polyester. Around and through. Around and through. I hate working with bundles, I know. Keep saying that. So see how it's forming, starting to look. Turn this. Tighten this up. Go around. See. And through. Pull left. Pull this up and to the right. Around and through. Go up. Try to pull this little bar that goes across tight. Tighten it up. All right. And through. In a moment, I'm going to speed the video up. And you'll just hear the music and me working. See? So 1 to 1.5 inches apart in between. Well, we're not going to do this the whole time. This is just the first round, or row. It's really a round because we're working in a round. We're going to go all the way to the back. that up, tighten it up. Turn it. So this is like a cover up for over this if you're out on the beach.
All right, this part is sped up. I'm just going to be doing a bunch of vertical double half hitches over, under, twice, and till we get to the armholes. So you'll need to pay special attention to how I create the form of the armhole.
All right, so we're at the arm. I have one down the middle, one piece. I'm gonna go like this on either side. So the one's gonna go to the one side. So I'm gonna have this one to this side, kinda, to the left. All right, kind of pull them to the left. And then this one's gonna go to the right, to the back. Right, pull it tight. So it makes kind of a little V up top. I'll show you in a second. Put this through here, working on this bundle. Alright, so it's kind of like this, like a V shape, an upside down V. And I'm just going to continue on around doing what I've been doing. Double half hitches, vertical double half hitches, which means up and down. All right, so I've gone all the way around. So it's basically a neckline. Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna bundle them. I'm gonna skip this one, we'll come back to that, the first one. The next two, we're gonna put together. And we're going to go around them together. It's gonna create like a V shape, okay? So skip the first one. All right, and we're gonna do a double half hitch. There we go. Pull it tight. Both sides. All right, now go on to the next one. Take these two, right beside each other. Unbundled it. I hate the bundles. I don't know, I just can never get used to it. Okay, go around. Through. Really need a pin here to keep this from moving. T-pin. Okay. Gives it a little shape and more form and shape, keeps it stable. Okay, pull on both sides. And go on to the next two. And remember, if you can work with the bundles, it's fine. I just can't. Let's hold around and through. And then you gotta keep pulling through until it gets shorter at least. Stepped on that. That was annoying. Okay. Tight. It's kind of hard to get this tighter. And then pull from the other side. Make sure it's all equal. You can pull this down, make it all even out. Ready? All right, going around, take these two. I'm gonna do a couple more and then I'm just gonna keep going around and I'll meet you back. So around. Through, around and through. this shouldn't be moving. So here's stabilize. So. Everything needs to be equidistant, like not too far from each other. Looks even. We can clean it up a little after. Okay. These two. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna be doing this for a second. All right, so I've gone all the way around. Show you. Here's the side, leaving space for the arm. And then here's the back. That's the other top. This is where I tied it at the beginning. Okay. And now we're gonna do some